How to make a reservation in Casa De Compai. We go to the website. Here we put our check-in and check-out date. In guest 1 or 2, and immediately we will find the apartments available for the dates we choose. You choose the one you would like for those dates. After you click book now, you will see the apartment you choose and all the amenities. And in this side you can put if you have a coupon, and then after you finish you click book now. This is the final step. You have to fill all the fields with your information. Make sure you fill all the fields with the correct information, even the one that says special needs. And if you don't have any special needs, you click NA. And after you finish all of this, you just have to click book now. Look how easy it is to book your vacations at Casa De Compai.